game ranger playing is Megan, who's the one who's going to take you to safari from this afternoon and tomorrow morning. Yes, our safari is from 3 hours in the morning and the afternoon as well. Because around 2 o'clock we meet our kids, get tea and drink for ranger. Then 3:30 we start for afternoon tea. When we're back, we'll be okay. Then the next morning we get calls from 6 o'clock in the morning, we get calls, and then we come up for breakfast at 7 o'clock. Then immediately after breakfast, when we're ready, we go for the morning tea. Okay? When you put it in, then you can make something. You can make a plan. If you didn't go for lunch, I can call him to come see what is the main basically, if I have vegetables, without salt, chicken for him, so that you can know what to do with it. Not really hard, but it's something that they like to do. Understand of that, the new what the seems to be some this program. Yes, and then we start to serve lunch from 1 o'clock every day about 3:30. Then on the left-hand side is the building there at the bridge. There is a spa. This is basically here you've got the part like this where you can set the treatment that you like to do. Everything will go here with my time to certain ones for the warning of the monkey.